Imagine a creature that has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the discovery of continents, and the birth of entire civilizations. Enter the Greenland shark, a mysterious giant of the deep that glides silently through the icy waters of the Arctic and North Atlantic Oceans. Often found at depths that would crush other marine life, the Greenland shark is a remarkable testament to nature's adaptability. Researchers have found that these sharks may live for over 400 years, possibly making them the oldest living vertebrates on Earth. This incredible longevity sparks curiosity about their secret to surviving in such harsh environments. Scientists delve deep, studying their slow metabolism and unique genetic makeup, which may hold clues to aging and resilience. The frigid waters these sharks inhabit have shielded them from the prying eyes of humanity, allowing them to carry on their slow-paced lives undisturbed by the rapid changes occurring above the surface. These sharks are not just survivors. They are silent historians of our oceans. In the frigid waters of the Arctic and North Atlantic, the Greenland shark finds its sanctuary. Here, in this icy realm where temperatures frequently plunge below 0 degrees Celsius, these remarkable creatures glide through the deep sea, navigating a world that is both stark and stunning. The Greenland shark prefers waters that are bone-chillingly cold and extraordinarily deep, often found at depths of over 2,000 feet. This environment is not just a preference, it's a necessity. The frigid temperatures slow their metabolism, a perfect adaptation to a habitat with limited food resources. Moreover, these sharks have adapted to the low oxygen levels found in such deep waters. Their large, powerful bodies are equipped to store oxygen efficiently, allowing them to endure the sparse conditions of their underwater world. Despite their slow nature, Greenland sharks are apex predators. They play a critical role in the ecosystem, helping to regulate the populations of the species they prey upon. Incredibly, despite the harshness of their surroundings, these sharks are among the longest-lived vertebrates on Earth. Their longevity and the extreme conditions they thrive in make them fascinating subjects of study in the realms of marine biology and environmental science. Thriving in conditions that would be hostile to most, the Greenland shark remains an enigma of resilience. Speed is the game for most sharks, but the Greenland shark prefers a leisurely pace. While their counterparts in warmer waters dart through the ocean, the Greenland shark glides through the icy depths at less than 1 mile per hour. This unhurried swimming style is a fascinating aspect of their biology, hinting at a life tailored to the frigid, deep waters they inhabit. The slow pace of the Greenland shark is not just a quirk, it's a window into their extraordinary longevity. Scientists believe that their sluggish metabolism is linked to their extended lifespan, which can exceed 400 years. This makes them one of the longest living vertebrates on Earth. In contrast, faster sharks expend energy quickly and have much shorter lifespans. Though they may not win any races, the Greenland shark's slow movement through the dark, cold abyss might just be the secret to their survival and longevity. What it lacks in speed, it compensates with years, centuries even, of wisdom. What does a centuries-old shark eat to survive the test of time? Dive deep into the icy waters of the North Atlantic and Arctic Oceans, and you'll find the Greenland shark, a creature with a diet as enigmatic as its long life. This ancient mariner of the deep has adapted to thrive in a harsh environment where food is not always plentiful. The Greenland shark is not a picky eater. Its diet is remarkably diverse, ranging from smaller fish and crustaceans to much larger, unexpected meals. Yes, this shark's menu includes seals, which it likely ambushes beneath the ice, using the element of surprise to its advantage. But the surprises don't stop there. Occasionally, researchers find remnants of terrestrial animals like reindeer or even horses in their stomachs. How do these land animals end up in the diet of a deep-sea shark? The answer lies in the shark's role as an opportunistic scavenger. Carcasses that sink from the surface provide a feast for these sharks, showcasing their crucial role in the marine ecosystem as recyclers of organic material. Their slow-moving nature and cold, dark habitat might suggest a limitation in available prey, but the Greenland shark uses its environment to its advantage, ensuring nothing goes to waste. Through scavenging, These sharks contribute to the nutrient cycle, breaking down animal remains and thus supporting the deep-sea food web. The Greenland shark's menu is as mysterious and varied as the ocean itself. A unique feature of the Greenland shark is its eyes, clouded and mysterious. This enigmatic look is largely due to a small parasitic creature, a copepod, which specifically targets these deep-sea hunters. The copepod, known as, attaches itself to the shark's eyes, often leading to partial blindness. Yet, intriguingly, this impairment doesn't seem to hold the Greenland shark back from its daily routines in the frigid deep waters. Living in the murky depths of the ocean, where light penetrates minimally, the Greenland shark relies less on vision and more on its other highly developed senses. Their ability to detect the faintest vibrations and scents in the water compensates for their visual limitations. This adaptation allows them to hunt and navigate through their dark, cold habitat effectively. Blind yet perceptive, the Greenland shark navigates its dark world with remarkable adeptness. With great age comes great vulnerability. Greenland sharks, some of the oldest living vertebrates on our planet, face a myriad of threats today. Climate change stands at the forefront, altering the cold, deep waters these enigmatic creatures inhabit. As temperatures rise, the delicate balance of their Arctic environment shifts, potentially reducing available habitat and affecting prey populations that these sharks depend on for survival. Adding to the peril is pollution. The deep seas are not isolated from human impact. Contaminants like mercury and persistent organic pollutants accumulate in these waters, entering the food chain. Greenland sharks, being apex predators, are particularly susceptible to these toxins, which can affect their health and reproductive capabilities. Another looming threat is potential overfishing. While not generally targeted by fisheries, Greenland sharks can become bycatch in nets meant for other species. This accidental capture not only poses an immediate risk to their population, but also impacts the ecological balance of the marine environment they help maintain. In response to these threats, a wave of scientific research and conservation efforts has emerged. Scientists are delving deep into the biology and ecology of Greenland sharks. Tagging programs and satellite tracking are shedding light on their migration patterns and habitat use, vital information for crafting effective conservation strategies. International collaborations are also strengthening, aiming to implement regulations that protect these sharks from overfishing and habitat disruption. Protecting these ancient creatures is not just about preserving a species, but safeguarding the history of our oceans. The Greenland shark remains one of the ocean's most profound mysteries. Delving into the depths of the icy Arctic waters, these enigmatic creatures have revealed themselves as the epitome of survival in extreme conditions. With an estimated lifespan that can stretch up to 400 years, Greenland sharks are among the Earth's oldest vertebrates, their longevity a whisper from the deep, echoing through centuries. Their existence is a masterclass in adaptation. Thriving in frigid temperatures where few dare to venture, Greenland sharks have developed unique biological features that allow them to navigate and dominate their chilly realm. Their slow, deliberate movements, a stark contrast to the frenetic pace of many marine predators, underscore a life lived in the slow lane, but filled with longevity and resilience. The diet of these ancient mariners is as varied as it is fascinating, ranging from fish to seals and even the occasional reindeer or horse, should the opportunity arise. Such eclectic feeding habits underscore their role as opportunistic feeders, capable of making the most of the harsh Arctic environment. Yet the future of the Greenland shark is not without its challenges. The changing climate and increasing human activity pose threats to their icy habitats, making conservation efforts crucial. These guardians of the ocean's secrets hold keys to understanding not only the past, but also the future of our marine ecosystems. As research continues, every discovery about the Greenland shark adds a piece to the puzzle of our marine world's vast, intricate tapestry.